ready. Oh, looks like the horns. Candy cane horns? Whatever, girl. You know what I'm trying to say. Stay tuned if you'd like to find out how I got this red glitter lip, honey. Fabulous to get you right. You're going to be a showstopper when you walk into that Christmas party. Honey, when you walk onto that photo shoot. Stay tuned if you'd like to know how I got this red glitter lip. You see it shining? Shining, 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 yeah. All of this shining with this glitter lip. All of this shining. Mm-hmm. Fabulous, honey. Fabulous. Hey, it's your girl, All Things Adree, checking in. Background is different. I have been in the Christmas spirit despite what has been coming my way. I've had some rough days at work. I'm a teacher, let's just say that, K through 2. And it has not been easy. But anyway, I felt inspired to do a holiday glam look. Like, I've been looking for red glitter everywhere. Everywhere. Cannot find it. And finally, I found it in my own stash. Like, I was at the... Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to do is line my lips. I am using the Ellarie Colourpop Lippy Pencil. So you first want to line your lip. I'm going to put in the NYX Perfect Red. I love the NYX matte lipsticks. This is the shade Perfect Red. It's a little discombobulated. I put the top on without rolling it down, and y'all already knew what happened. And then I am using the red glitter by the Magic Collection. It comes with a glitter. So what I'm going to do is take the primer and apply it to my lip like you would a lip gloss, dabbing it onto the lips. And I apologize, guys. This is where I lose footage when I thought I was recording. But you take the primer and apply as if it were a lip gloss onto the lips so that it can stick to the glitter. Okay, guys, so I apologize. My footage got deleted somehow, and I re-recorded like 2 times. One time I thought my camera was on and it wasn't, so I apologize that you all will not see every single step. But basically here I'm showing you how you just dip the applicator into the glitter and then you press. You press the glitter onto your lips. And I just kind of do it section by section. The left side of the top lip and then the right side and then the left side of the bottom lip and then the right side of the bottom lip is how you do it. And then I applied more in the center so that it can really stand out. And then you take your concealer of choice. At this point, that one is the Smashbox Studio Skin Concealer in medium deep, I believe. And you just clean up and go around your lips with that and clean up any glitter, and also it'll help the glitter lips stand out more if you just kind of put some concealer around that area, and also just a little bit of foundation to kind of make it pop and stand out, highlighting your cupid's bow as well. After you've gone in with the concealer as well as the foundation, cleaning up your glitter lip, highlighting your cupid's bow, you also want to go in with a little bit of setting powder. At that point, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me finishing powder, and I'm just going around just a little bit, just lightly dusting and kind of setting that area around my lip. And also, I would normally use a setting spray.
Take a setting spray after. But I'm going to bed after this, so you don't need a setting spray if you just want to bed after, girl. But there, you have it. Perfect for your holiday parties. Perfect for those photo shoots. Honey, perfect if you just want to be extra. And there you have it. I hope you liked it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know if y'all have tried some glitter lips. What color do you all think I should try next? Because I'm thinking of doing like a gold glitter. Glitter, a little glitter. Your setting spray will help. You're gonna get some glitter. Sorry. Bae gonna be wearing red glitter if you kiss him or her with this on. So I don't know, but I love the red. It's festive, it's perfect. You're perfect. Also hit that notification. You know you want to. Because even though I'm 87% of my viewers are not subscribers. I'm just trying to figure out why. Because you're watching the videos. The answer to the Christmas. Need you to go and get the notification, girl, so you gotta wonder when I'm posting the next video. Because you will have first access. Go on and join. You know you like my extra personality. You know you like my craziness. Go on and subscribe. Because I got a lot more to come. Glitter lip. Jesus. Have a happy holiday. For watching.